What's going on, traders? This is Mike with Tactical Traders. Doing some live trading right now, trying to catch this trade. I'm looking at ticker symbol NVAX, and this I'm going to actually go for a short. I'm trying to rush right now and get this, so I'm actually going to rush with a market order. But I just wanted to show you that right now I am looking for basically a fade on this. I started with a 50 share position, and what I plan on doing is if the price does continue to rise above my entry, I will be adding slowly, and I want to show you one good way how to build a short position right now, but you can also do this as a long position. When you're slowly going to be adding just portions of your position, so this kind of helps you not really miss the move itself, and it also helps you build into a better overall entry and overall strong position. So we might not be able to get this. I was trying to get the mic and everything set, and as you can see, within a matter of minutes, it already started pulling back. But yeah, so this is more or less going to be a fade trade. So this is a extended move, as you can see down here on the RSI. It was in the overbought area, and now the MACD is starting to possibly cross over. So that is what caught my eye. Yeah, so we're gonna be pulling back. I'm actually looking for about 96 on this, a $96 price target. I want to have a bigger position size, but like I said, I was rushing to get this recorded. Wanted to show you guys how we do this in live action. So let's see how this unfolds, and we're gonna just let this play out. So I would like to have maybe low 96s for a profit-taking area. If it does get down there, I'll just take my small profits with these 50 shares. But so it's just to go over it. So really important also is if you do plan on building a long or short position, whenever you're doing it, keep in mind your size and what you're adding, and think about your overall capital and what you are willing to risk and whatnot. So what I mean by that is if you only have, if you have if you have a smaller capital at your disposal, don't go in with 300 share orders, and then before you know it, you can't add more than twice, maybe even more than once, or you add 300 and then you add another 100 and another 100, and you're really not just changing your average price and all that. So just keep in mind, keep it small when you're building these positions. These are kind of like a speculative buy or short. You're scaling into your position, you're getting into a nice foothold, and you're waiting for the move to happen in your favor, which for us it has been. Originally, before I actually went short. The reason why I was looking at this is I saw it was getting overextended, and it was getting near that $100 mark. So the $100 mark usually is a good mental area, barrier for traders. So a lot of people are on that triple digit number. So I was expecting it to go up there, find some resistance. It did find a little bit of resistance earlier than I thought, especially with this nice bullish candle here. I was expecting it to go up a little bit and then have a shooting star form on the 1 minute, which would be basically this candle right here, but upside down. But it didn't get up there, and this is why another reason like it's good to scale in. You could always get 50 here, and if it went up to 100, 50 there. If it popped maybe over 100 briefly, another 100, over that, looking for it to fade back. But either way, it's a good way to build in your position. All right, so let's see how this just unfolds. I kind of do want to bounce back up here so I can add a little bit more, but we'll see how it goes. And also another important thing when you're building these positions, it's not a bad thing to build in positions and lower your average price or increase your average short price, but know when to cut your losses, and don't be buying into a vicious uptick or downtick depending on what side you're on. Just have a plan. Look at your different areas of resistance. Another thing I really like to do is if there's multiple tiers of resistance above a certain area that are pretty close. I love that when there's multiple walls above it, kind of thing. That's another reason where I will start to build into something short. So we're just gonna let this play out a little bit, and just briefly, just gonna bounce around. I just want to see what else is moving. All right, so this is an awesome one. We're in this one over here as well. I only have 100 shares in this one, but we're up 226. I was trying to add down here, and unfortunately, I didn't get filled on that. But I'm actually looking for 84 in this one, OSTK. Really good mover. So, like I said, we got just 100 shares, and we're in at 80.12 on that one. So I actually got here on this break, and another way of building into my long position. I saw that it had that wick, but I still felt the move was pretty confident. When it moved down here, I was looking at getting into this around the support level. It did get close. I didn't get that fill, but that's just how it goes. Let's see. Everything else looks pretty interesting. Nice little possible double top here. I'm actually going to alert that in my chat room real quick. All right, I'm going to pause the video very quickly. Be right back. All right, I'm back in here. All right, so yeah, we're back on NVAX. It's probably been about a minute, maybe 2 minutes at most since the pause. But now we are back down into the 96 area. So a little bit more, I'm probably going to look to start taking some profits. As you can see, that crossover did happen. We are now getting into basically neutral territory on RS. So this is starting to show me where, bulls that are wanting to buy in now, it's not really a bad idea. It's a pretty logical idea. So I'm going to be looking at taking profits pretty soon. But this could easily go down past 96 to right around this area, the 95. But I'm not going to be greedy. I'm going to take my little bit of profit with my small position pretty soon. I'm going to keep an eye on this actually right here, this little candle. Pull up a little bit more. All right, so I'm just going to take some profits now. I'm going to get down. Let's put it right here. We'll just take that. Oh, it looks like it's missing me. All right, I'm going to chase this around a little bit. All right, so nice little scalp on a fade. I was getting a little impatient. I wish I had the recording set up a little bit more in advance so I could get it in real time. In real time with a better position. But, jumping around, trying to trade and record held me up a little bit. But, yeah, so that's a good way to just scalp fades. So a lot of times when you see big moves like this and you feel like you are late to the party, well, if you like to short, you could always look for those little areas of weakness at those key levels and maybe scalp a short with a low risk above you. And if you're looking to go long, you can wait for these pullbacks to happen. And if it still looks like a good viable area, you could always take it long again. So I am going to just exit this trade. I'm going to check back here real quick. All right, we still have OSTK right there. We can just remove that. All right. Guess we'll pull up that one. All right. So this is looking pretty interesting. So a nice move up. Nice bounce on that. Starting to get into a little bit of a overbought on the 1 minute, but I'm going to give this some time to move, so not too worried. And yeah. So traders, we are offering a free 30-day free trial to our 24/7 live chat room. A lot of good stuff in there. Pull it up real quick. You get to see, we have some verified senior elite traders. They are pulling in crazy profits. So this is basically how it breaks down. You get to see our entries, everything like that, the contracts we're buying, the time, and great group of people. We do keep it, pretty well formatted. You can see our profit and losses through everyone else. We do rank our top traders of the week. We give them a shout out on our website and social media. So good times in that. All right, traders. Well, I am going to stop this video. I hope you enjoyed the scalping fade of the NX and the other one, the NXAV or NVX. I can't remember it. But yeah, hope you enjoyed that. Hope it give you some insight on a couple of different ways that you can trade tickers and whatnot. And it looks like, sorry about that. I just saw this. Let's see what happens here. Let's let this ride a little bit. All right, so we're pretty much getting right up to that 84 price target that I mentioned earlier. I am going to, let's see. Yeah, I'm going to be now taking some profits. I'm going to put it in at basically already there. Yeah, I'm going to take it right there. Come on. All right, and like I said, 84 is the price target. I'm getting a little annoyed with this pullback, so I'm gonna take it right at 83. I think. There we go. All right, so got filled on that. All right, traders, thank you very much for watching. We are offering that free 30-day trial, like I mentioned. Definitely check that out. You can get access through our website. You can get access in the description below. Or you can just message me on Ostk Nvax Facebook or Instagram. We can hook you up. And definitely come check it out. Check it out in 30 days. If you don't like it after that, cancel it any time. But even if you just stop in for that 30 days, you can make some killer gains with some of these alerts. We got a great group. You can learn a lot in a short amount of time. Definitely shorten that learning curve. Oh, shit. Oh, damn it. Well, I didn't even see that. I actually had it the wrong order up. I have another 50 shares riding. And we're basically at my price target now. All right, now we completely exited the position now. Perfect. For a total of $322 on that. And then we made $75 on the other. So you just saw $400 right there. In just a few minutes, price target is being hit. 84. Guys, come check out the chat room. You see how we're doing it right here. Or we call these out just so you can see it. We had, let's see. Where'd it go? There we go. At 9:39, 84 OSC, and this is on the general chat, but we also alert it right here. In our structured verified trader chat. So definitely check it out, guys. We've got a lot of great calls. And we'll see you next time. Best of luck, traders, and stay profitable.